Alright guys, welcome to West Coast Travel and Tour YouTube channel. In one of my video, I promised you guys that I'm going to get a drone to do a video at the most southerly point of Ghana. A land which stretches more into the sea, and they have built a lighthouse to navigate the ships. The place is very beautiful when it comes to the view. But before you watch the video, kindly please do me one favor. Subscribe my video, like my video, share my video, comment my video, because there is more video coming about the hotels and the lodges and the beautiful places in Ghana. Until then, see you next time.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turn stars to gold, and we'll dream impossible, possible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly. I'm unbreaking until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing, I know I'm changing into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will grow in the dark, turn stars to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Impossible. Bottom to the top, we're sparking wildfires. Never quit and never stop the rest of our lives. From the bottom to the top, we're sparking wildfires. Never quit and never stop. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turn